In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept all changes in Grammarly using Google Docs, a process that's both simple and efficient. Let's dive in and walk step by step through how to make the most out of Grammarly's suggestions. First things first, you'll want to start by opening Grammarly. If you're not already familiar, Grammarly is a handy tool that helps you improve your writing by offering suggestions on grammar, spelling, and style. Once you've opened Grammarly, you're ready to move on to the next step. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on I have an account. This is important to access your personal Grammarly dashboard where all your documents and settings are stored. Next, type in your email address to log in. Make sure you're using the email associated with your Grammarly account. After typing in your email, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. This action will take you into your Grammarly homepage where you'll be able to see your recent documents and activities. Once you're on the homepage, your next move is to open Google Docs. You can open a document you're currently working on, or create a new one if you want to try out Grammarly's features without impacting your other work. With your Google Doc open, you should see the Grammarly icon. Click on this icon to activate Grammarly within your document. This integration allows Grammarly's AI to scan through your text and offer real-time suggestions. Now, situated on the right side of your screen, you'll notice a list of all Grammarly suggestions for your document. Look for the option to accept these changes. Clicking on accept will apply Grammarly's recommendations to your text. Do this for each suggestion offered. This part of the process is key as it ensures you've addressed every grammatical issue found by Grammarly. Finally, go through all the suggestions and click accept for each one. This might take a bit of time depending on the length and complexity of your document, but it's essential for making sure every error and suggestion is accounted for. Once all suggestions have been accepted, you've completed the task, and your document should now reflect all the changes. And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently accept all changes suggested by Grammarly in Google Docs. This process ensures your writing is polished and professional. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.